All right, guys, time now for my favorite part of the week, No Pain, No Gain. It's the weekly look at the ideas that were up bigger or up, down, whatever, but made big noticeable moves during the course of the week. First up is Alaska Air. I just had this one for you last week. It's up 11%. Cowen upped their target to 82. They said it has one of the best balance sheets in the business. I agree. Next is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is one I've talked about a whole lot from the very beginning of the show. It's up big. Raymond James put a strong buy on it. It's already up 37% from me and you. Up. Strong buy. You don't see that on Wall Street too often. The next one, CarMax. I love CarMax, up 9% since December. Turnersville, New Jersey. I'm giving you a shout out. CarMax is opening up a new shop there. They hired 75 people. You want to be in a company that's hiring Americans? This is it. Zillow, that rumor about the takeover, merger, whatever, with Trulia, I think is back on again. I've talked about it a lot, starting to edge up. Momentum stock, put on your seatbelt. And finally, I didn't have this in the script, guys, but I got to mention U.S. Steel. It is getting absolutely decimated. Goldman downgraded it today. I think, they're a little late. They report next week. For now, I'm holding it, but it is absolutely hammered. All right, guys, this is the panel's turn. Matt, United Healthcare, that's the one that you talked about. How's it doing?
Doing great. They had earnings this past week. They beat top line, bottom line. They're looking for revenue growth almost 10% next year, double-digit bottom line growth. I mean, they're saying Medicaid's going to grow by 17% next year. If
someone missed it, would they buy it on Monday?
No, it was down 1.5% today. You look about 105 to buy it.
105. Hitha, AMC is one you liked. I saw an upgrade on that this week.
There was an upgrade on it. Also, Avengers, Star Wars, Despicable Me are all coming out this year. That's going to be huge for this. Revenues are up 31% for the stock. I love it still.
All right, Jim. You did the contrarian thing, right? I mean, that was the day you weren't feeling well. You said you like Staples. How you feeling now?
I'm feeling okay. But again, this is a difficult story. Starboard is the one who's pushing for the merger. There's a lot of activity between Staples and Office Depot. They already successfully got Office Depot and Office Max together, and they're pushing hard. And I do like their activist bit. So watch this thing, and I'm going to stay with it. I'm staying.
All right, listen, I'm okay. GameStop is still around. Best Buy is still around. So the contrarian thing works a little bit. And I can't find a better place to get a file cabinet. So I'm with you. Okay, I'm not in the stock, but I'm rooting for you. I am in Gold Corp, and that's one that you picked, Hillary, on the show. That was back in November. You were in it before me. You're up 24%. Gold had trouble at this 1,300 range. It's kind of waffling a little bit, but you still like it?
Yes, because the precious metals have really decoupled from the other commodities, oil and copper mainly, and you have a 2.5% dividend yield, and this is South America, North America, based in Vancouver. Stay in it, even though I'm not a gold bug.
All right, I'm not a gold bug either, but this is what people say. Historically, it is cheap dollar sends gold up. The dollar is robust. It's feeling strong. How come gold is up? What would you tell people?
Because those outside of the United States are buying gold, at an incredible rate, and they're trying to find places to put their cash. One of the reasons Switzerland went off of the euro and depegged themselves was what they're trying to do is not take in that money from places like Russia and Venezuela.
Yeah, I'm in it too, and I think the next attempt through 1,300 works, and I think we're going to make some good money on it. You're already up big, though. Hey, guys.